Hey YouTube, this isn't going to be a DVD review. It's going to be more about just talking about some DVDs, and that's the Vomit Gore trilogy. I actually sat down, I know it was Sculpting Fragments had put out there to watch all three films back to back. I've actually done this for a second time, and these are Slaughtered Vomit Dolls, Regurgitated Sacrifice, and Slow Torture Puke Chamber. All Lucifer Valentine's Vomit Gore trilogy. I have to admit, after watching all three of them, you do kind of feel a little uneasy. You kind of you're thinking about them, but probably a good day or two afterwards, after watching it, it's just stuck in your head. The first one, to me, felt very real, as far as the footage with Amira LaVey. The footage, and if you watch one of the commentary thing, not commentary, the story behind why he did this, I think that's more disturbing than the actual movies, is him talking about his sister and where he came up with the idea for the film and him actually filming it. I thought was really fucking disturbing. But just the films alone, the first one felt very real, felt very really fucked up watching that girl. You know, a lot of times, like, you could just tell she was fucked up when they were filming her. The second one just got very, very violent, but also felt real as far as the footage. The third kind of was a little bit of a letdown, just because I felt like they were kind of reaching in that one. They didn't, I felt like they were trying to live up to the first two, and I think it might have been rushed. Not that I didn't enjoy it. I did enjoy it. It was cool, and I liked the fact that they added the character, Hope Likens, to still play Angela Aberdeen. It was cool. It just didn't work out as good as the first two. I'm really happy to have these in my collection. They're the gore factor, especially in Regurgitated Sacrifice, is fantastic. It's something to watch. You know, it's definitely not for everybody. It's fucking strange. It's fucking you know, to me it feels like you're in a fucking nightmare. You know, it feels like you know, one of those nightmares that just images and certain things happen, and then it goes back to those things and just over and over again, and it was just a really bad nightmare that just never ended. I think this guy definitely is disturbed. You know, I'd like to see what he does after this, Lucifer Valentine. I know they said he's doing a movie about heroin, Black Metal Vein, or something along that lines. I'm really not sure. I don't know much about the guy, but I can't recommend these films for anybody that's really not into some extreme shit. You know, there's piss, fucking vomit, gore, fucking really extreme brutality towards women, just fucking really over the top, but fucking unbelievable. Fucking, you know, you look at these and you look at the bright colors and the fucking kind of silly drawings. Boy, it fucking lays a trip on you. I just finished watching them, so I'm kind of rambling on now. You know, it's fucking fucked up, man. Thanks for watching my video. Take it easy, YouTube.